Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Bidu. We're currently trading at 166 even here in after hours. We ended the day up around 310. That's a little over 2% on the day. A green candle in here, but it looks like we are still having trouble with this 169.23 area in here. But before we do get to there, this 9-day EMA carries a little bit of weight in here. So we have to kind of respect that at 167.52. So we do have to close over that 9-day EMA first before we start worrying about that 169.23. But that 169.23 area is going to be a key level for us because that was resistance for us in the past here in early August, late July, going into September as well. Above that, really not a whole lot of anything, maybe a little hiccup here at 175, but really that's the top of this upper trend line here in this channel we created, 187s to in the mid 186 to 187 area. That's going to be a key area of resistance once we do start working our way up there. We do have earnings coming up here in a couple weeks, so that might push us a little bit higher. Not sure that we'll get all the way up there just yet, though. Support wise, what are we looking at? Well, it's going to be the lower trend line here of this channel we created. We pretty much respected it besides this little hiccup right here with the 3 days in a row that we were trading below it. But we were holding this going forward, especially this past week or so. So that's currently trading here right around those 162.50s, 163. So that's going to be our first support. Below that, you are going to be looking down here right around the 155 level. And then ultimately, it's going to be this 149.70 level down here for a big base. RSI in here 52, stochastics 25. So both neutral. If anything, the stochastics are a little bit oversold here. So that is good news as we're working our way into this earnings report here coming up in a couple weeks. Speaking of earnings, we have to talk about IV in here. IV, you got a little bit of juice. IV ranked right at 24. Raw IV basically in your 50s and 40s throughout all the expirations. Looks like by this Friday, everybody's pricing in right around $3 expected move. Next Friday, everybody's pricing in right around $7. Your November monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around 11.76, and you do have earnings that week. Pre-market November 17th. So all your IV is building up in there right now, 16 days out. So about 2 weeks or so out. So keep an eye on that November monthly expiration cycle and watch the IV in there, see if it does start to expand a little bit more as we start working our way towards that. If you go all the way out to December, 44 days away, it looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $16.69 expected move. So again, just to kind of reiterate, watch the 169.23 level, watch this 9-day EMA as a nice area for us to close above to kind of confirm this trend line. Watch this lower trend here in this channel to make sure that is a good support for us. But if not, then we're looking at the 149.70 all the way down here for a nice strong base. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.